Hey guys, how you doing? So today we're going to do a small review. Well, not review, really more like open boxes on one kit that I got. And this is for my truck as well as for the Can-Am and all the off-road vehicles. This is from EliteWill. You will see it's a recovery kit. Comes really great. Let me show you. It comes with a really big strap on it. As you can see, it's solid. It's extremely thick. Really well done. Synthetic. Comes with a strap. Really good. Then we also have ends rope as well. This comes with two of them. Here it is. And then on top of it, really well packaged, you should have a big hook. As you can see here, well packaged. We're gonna open it. Here it is. So they have obviously multiple colors that you can pick. Here I got the blue one. It comes with a good, look at the big metal plates, pulley, everything in here. You have everything you need in case you get in trouble. This is gonna help you out to pull yourself out. So right now I'm actually gonna be, go buy a couple of hooks so I can put them on the truck. On the Can-Am, I already have a couple of hooks, but this is going to be awesome. As you can see, it's really there. Really metal. Everything is strong and metal. So it's good quality, that's for sure. But I wanted to show you this little kit. It's available. There's a little link below on the description box where you will get the link to this kit with obviously discounts. So make sure you take advantage of it. This is really, really important. It will allow you to pull you out. So this is kind of like the small kit that I will keep on my truck and I will keep on my Can-Am as well in case, you know, you get into trouble, you need to get pulled out or you need to pull someone out. That's going to help you out as well. Good kit, it's going to be safe. It's going to allow you to really make sure that, you know, you have everything you need in order to, you know, pull someone out. So I really recommend it. It's really strong and sturdy. This is really heavy duty rated. So, you know, you can see all the information here up to 36,000 pounds. That's the rating on this shit. So you can see it's really, really heavy duty rated up to 36,000 pounds. That's a humongous amount of weight that this kit supports. So make sure that, you know, you get it. I'm going to put the link. That's always going to be useful. It's not expensive at all. On top of it, you get a discount here on the link. Make sure you take advantage of it, guys, because this is going to be something that you're going to need for sure on your truck, on your Can-Am, on your off-road vehicle. This is going to a lifesaver. This is a lifesaver. I would really recommend to have one. It should be a must to have. And then with this kind of rating on 36 pounds, I mean, for sure you're going to be safe. So I really recommend it, guys. Make sure you click on that link with the description. You will get an extra discount from the sponsor. And hopefully we can, you know, see you on the road. Be safe.